Let's move and see how we can connect this virtual machine and verify both LAN connectivity and WAN connectivity as well. So for that purpose, I just need to make a remote connection with this virtual machine. So I just need to copy this IP address, and from here we will go and type over here just 52.149.208.181. So let's make the remote desktop connection, and here now I need to type the IP username which I have already implemented, and then I need to put the password, and here we go with the connectivity. Yes. And now we are connecting with this newly created virtual machine, and after the connectivity we will verify the virtual network connectivity options, because this virtual machine is connected with our newly created virtual network infrastructure. So after the login process we will verify private IP address and public IP address as well. So just accept the things. Now from here I just need to type the CMD, and from here I need to type yes, I want to connect. Here you can see, do you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices on this network? I just said yes. And now here I need to type ipconfig space /all, and now from here you can verify. Here you can see I have IPv4 preferred private IP address over here, and we can also verify IP address from here as well. So if I select the Ethernet option and from here change adapter options, and here I have my virtual interface, and from here I can verify my IP address as well. And if I want to browse over the internet, so let's check the internet connectivity. I hope that because I made the remote desktop connection from my PC, so it means that internet is working properly, but still we need to verify by browsing some websites. And here you can see okay. So from here if I type google.com, so now each and everything is working fine. So at initial level we just create the virtual network, and after that we create a virtual machine, and then we integrate or we connect our virtual network infrastructure with this newly created virtual machine. And right now this virtual machine is properly connected with all kinds of infrastructure. Now let's move further and explore what kind of other options available when we are going to implement the virtual network infrastructure. So let's move now.